utilisation of imparfait is that to describe a situation that happened in past. Okay. The second is the second utilisation is pour une habitude. Okay. So what is an habitude? Habitude, for example, see the example I have given here is j'allais au parc regularly. Okay, so habitude is a habit which you do it every day, like a habit. Okay, habitude, a habit. A habit is like we do this thing every day. I have a habit of doing this thing. Okay, so habitude is meaning habit. Okay, sabadir habit. Par exemple, j'allais au parc régulièrement. Okay, so j'allais, aller is the imperfect form of the verb aller. Aller means to go. So j'allais au parc regularly. Okay, this means that I have a habit of going to park regularly. Okay, so whenever you have to tell about your habits, okay, you will use imperfect. Okay, so what are the did you understand the utilization?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the two utilizations?
Pour décrire la situation à passé.
Au passé, très bien. Et deuxième?
Pour une habitude.
Très bien, perfect. Okay, so now you understood why do we use imperfect? Pour décrire une situation au passé or pour une habitude. Okay, now how do we form the tense? Okay, like for example, j'étais, allé. Now where does these verbs come from? Okay, these words come from. So how do we form these words? Now we learned that. Okay, so you know the present tense. Present tense.
Yes.
You know the present tense, like conjugation for present tense of aller.
Yes.
Okay. You know parler, parler. Can you tell me the conjugation of parler in present tense?
De parler, tu parles. Il parle, il parle.
Il parle, elle parle. Très bien.
Nous parlons, vous parlez. Ils parlent.
Il parle, elle parle. Très bien. Perfect. Okay. So now, in imperfect, what you have to do is you have to take new form of présent. Okay. So what was the new form for parler? Nous. Nous.
Yes.
What was the new form for parler? Repeat. You said right.
Yes.
Nous. ONS. Très bien. Nous parlons. It's nous parlons, isn't it?
Yes.
So the new form for parler in present is parlons. Okay. So ONS is the ending and parle is the root verb. So what we have to do, we have to remove this ONS. Okay, and whatever is remaining, which is PARL, okay, that is the root verb. Now what you have to do, you have to add endings, okay, endings or termination to this root verb. For example, the termination are AIS, AIS, AIT, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT, AIENT. Okay, so these are the termination. Termination means the endings for imperfect. So what you did, what was the first step? You had to take new form from the present. Okay, from the present conjugation. We are doing parler. I am taking an example of parler. So new form for parler is nous parlons. Okay, the second step is to remove ONS. So when we remove ONS, the word remaining ending is pal. Okay, this is our root word. You have to keep this word. Now, what you have to do is you have to add the endings or like terminations of the Lamparse. Means you have to add the endings of Amparse. What are the endings? RES, RES, RET, RET, EONS, EOZ, REONT, REON. Okay, these are the endings. Okay, so what you will do? So now we took the root verb and now we have to add the endings. Okay, you have to join both of them. Okay, so for je form we'll write je parle, tu parle, il parle, elle parle, nous parlions, vous parliez, il parlait, elle parlait. Okay, so you see what we did is that first we wrote all the subject pronouns je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous in L. Okay, after that we wrote the root word. Okay, pal, 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 everywhere. Okay, the next step is that we added the termination. So see, for je form it's AIS, for tu form it's AIS, for il form it's AIT, for L form it's AIT, for nu form it's IONS, for who form it's IEZ, for il form it's AIENT, for L form it is AIENT. So we added the terminator to the root word, and that's how we conjugated the verb parler in imparfait. Okay, I'll show you one more. Okay, we'll do one more verb. Let's take the verb. Which verb we'll do? Regarder. Is it fine? Regarder.
Yes.
Okay, we'll take another verb. Regarder means to watch. Okay, regarder means to watch. So the first step is I write all the subject pronouns.
जब भी बात करनी रहता है इंसान बात कर रहा है
Who,
पागल है इतना पेमेंट नहीं करता
L. Okay, so I wrote all the subject pronouns. Okay, now you tell me what is the new form for regarder. What is the new form for regarder?
Remove ear and add one.
Trebia, regardon, trebia. So I'll write the new form. It's regardon. Yeah, this is the new form. So what you have to do is you have to remove the ONS and you just have to take the regard. Okay, and write it down.
मैम आपकी आपको है ना जैसे एप्लीकेशन मेल आएगा उसमें आप
Everywhere, just write it down.
आई हैव नो इशू करके आपको सेंड करना है एक बार आप चेक करिए मेल आया होगा आई एग्री करके
Every teacher are saying now. Please,
व्हाट्सएप कॉल नॉट एक्सेस मैम
call me because right now I
मैम नॉर्मल कॉल है नेटवर्क इशू मैम
Okay. Now, what endings will we add to this? What are the imperfect endings?
कॉल नॉट एक्सेस मैम
For
AI.
sure form, AIS, very good. Put you.
AIT.
Oh, no, it's AIS. See?
AIS.
AIS, AIS. Okay, AIT, AIT is for in and L. Okay, so then we'll put the endings. AIT,
AIT.
मैम चेक ऑफ व्हाट्सएप मैम
AIT. Then
IONS I.
very good. IONS, IZ, then
AIN.
very good, and AIENT. Very good. So that's how we conjugated the verb regarder in a imperfect. You get it? You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So now there is one irregular verb. Okay, like the other verbs are conjugated in the similar format, but there is one word which is irregular, which is extra. Okay. So the conjugation for extra is j'étais, tu étais, il était, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. Okay. So, etra is an irregular one. Okay, you have have to memorize this conjugation. Rest you can do by putting endings. Okay, but in Ethra, this is an irregular one, so you have to memorize it. Okay, Ethra means to be. Okay, so can you repeat the conjugation once of Ethra? Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Huh. Can you repeat the conjugation once of Ethra?
E T T A I.
No, I need the conjugation, like jete, tuete, the pronunciation, so that I can understand that, oh, you pronounce it correctly.
अगर आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा
Jete, tuete, inete, enete, nu
Très
etiam,
bien.
vu etive,
जो आपके नियर बाय
ils
Vous étiez,
etienne, vous etienne, ils etienne,
आप प्रिंसिपल हो
elles etienne.
ils étaient, elles étaient. So the AI, so you know, ENT is mostly silent. Okay, so it's ils étaient, elles étaient. Okay, okay. So that's it. That's is imparfait. Okay, now we'll just revise it one more time. Okay, like a short revision. Okay. Utilisation de l'imparfait. There are two utilizations of imparfait pour décrire une situation au passé et pour une attitude. How do we form the verb in imparfait? What we have to do is we have to take new form in present of any verb. We'll take parler for example, then new form for parler, which is parlant. Then we have to remove the ons. Whatever is remaining is the root verb, which is the pal. Then you have to add the terminaison, which is ais, ait, ait, ions, iez, ie, aient, aient. Okay, and then that's how you conjugate the verb. Okay, there is one more irregular verb, which is être. The conjugation is j'étais, tu étais, il était, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, est-ce qu'il y a quelques doutes? Do you have any doubts? Est-ce qu'il y a quelques doutes?
No.
C'est clair? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope you understood the imparfait, and yeah, that's it. And I hope to see you in more classes. Okay. Um,
Okay.
au revoir. À très bientôt. Au revoir.
पच्चीस हजार रुपये अब और पता 45 का मिल जाता ना है